A decision has therefore been made that, as painful as it is, as emotionally unpleasant as it is to me, this great party that offered us everything, unfortunately, may not be in a position to be competitive in the 2027 general elections. But for now, I and my friends across the country, after careful consultation for a long period, have been working, and we fought to put together an association to give Nigerians, all Nigerians, a credible ideological platform and alternative. Last week, INEC issued a certificate of registration, and we now have the newest party in Nigeria, known as the Nigerian Democratic Congress, NDC. And our symbol is victory, the victory sign. The victory sign. You now have a credible alternative opposition party, known as the Nigerian Democratic Congress. Let me round up by formally announcing that a few days ago, in compliance pursuant to the Constitution of the People's Democratic Party, I formally communicated my resignation from the People's Democratic Party, painfully and emotionally so. But then, that is the only realistic option available now. Communicated to the appropriate quarters. It has been acknowledged. And in the course of the following weeks and days, I will take it up further. On this note, Mr. Chairman, let me thank you and your colleagues in the National Working Committee for the great work you are doing. And I thank all Nigerians for their interest in joining the NDC. I welcome all of you to be part of it, from all states in Nigeria. Join the team, carry out the registration exercise, be part of it, opportunities for you. They called it a virgin party, I called it a brand new baby. And there's a lot for you, and you will hear from us as time goes on.